I'm back, everybody, and today I'm bringing to you some red hot love. That's right, perfect for Valentine's Day and just in time, too. How do we do it? Follow me. Alright, everyone, here we go. First in, 80 grams pure cane sugar. Next in, 30 grams gelatin. Let's give that a good forking. We need that scale, so now we need 125 grams of corn syrup. Excuse me, 225 grams corn syrup. Cold day today, so this stuff is not wanting to run. You know what, I'm gonna just call that good, but aim for 225. Let's get rid of that scale. Next into the pot, 125 grams applesauce. Let's give that a quick stir. You just want to make sure all that gelatin is covered by all the applesauce so it'll fully bloom. So it doesn't have to be perfect in this state. And now for the flavoring. Cinnamon. It says red candy, but if you've ever had a red hot, that's what this tastes like. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3 to start. Oh, that smells good. I think 3 is good. Now we're gonna hit it with some bright red. Should be good. If we need more, we can add more later. That's a nice vibrant red there, so I think we're good. Oh yeah, that's perfection. All right, we're gonna let that sit for 7 to 10 minutes to allow all that gelatin to bloom, and then it's off to the heat. See you soon. We will also be using 5 grams of cream of tartar plus 1.5 grams malic acid, as well as 2 ounces of liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules. Alright, the oil has been added, so now it's time to stir for the next 3 to 5 minutes, or however long it takes. I hope you enjoyed that slow-mo. Even with this oil added, I think this color is spot on. It's pretty bright in the camera, but in person, it's pretty intense. Really vivid. The perfect red-hot color. Anyway, I'll be quiet now so you can enjoy the stirring. Alright, we're going to let that sit until we reach that low simmering boil, and then it'll be time to add those acids. See you soon. Alright, we're now ready for the acids, so let me get that mixed up. And here we go! Alright, gonna stir that for the next 1 to 2 minutes to allow that extra water to evaporate off, and then it'll be time to pour. So I'll see you over there at the pour station. Alright everybody, let's pour! All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all she wrote. See you when it's time to sand. And there it is, Red Hot Love. If you like cinnamon, red hot candies, hot tamales, you'll love this. I promise. They're so good. Oh, so good. Anyway, like always, if you have any questions, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.